Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to DMC Bazaar. There are multiple ways of booking Hong Kong as a destination on our system. You can build your own itinerary through the Holidays tab, book only hotels, select ferries or buses or private transport from here. Transfers are available through the Transfers tab. Pick a ready package for immediate confirmation or further customization or book only activities. Let's build a holiday to Hong Kong. Select your date of travel. Select the number of guests. If you look for 2 adults plus 1 child, for example, you'll get a child age drop-down box. Select the age of the child and simply accept. To add more rooms, feel free to add more rooms. You can book up to 9 passengers on DMC Bazaar. If your itinerary starts from Macau, moving to Hong Kong, and then final stay in Disneyland, you would need to first enter Hong Kong SAR as a destination and select 0 nights so that your transportation from Hong Kong Airport to Macau is easily accessible. Then enter the number of nights for your stay in Macau, followed by Hong Kong stay in Kowloon or on Hong Kong Island. And then finally, feel free to end your itinerary in Disneyland, Hong Kong. Create your trip from here and allow our system to check the best available prices through multiple API partners, ferry partners, as well as our own office at One Above Hong Kong. The itinerary builder guides you through booking transport, which is your intercity transportation, followed by accommodation activities. And on the summary page, you'll get a gist of all that you have selected, plus you can add more transfers. On the left side of the screen, you'll be able to either change your search criteria once again, get a view of the per person and total price, and a brief day-wise itinerary that the system has already pulled for you. Starting at 10th June, our first point is your transportation from Hong Kong to Macau. While it auto-selects the cheapest available direct option, you can customize the itinerary further from here. So as we know, transportation from Hong Kong Airport to Macau requires a combined transfer to Hong Kong Island plus a ferry ticket. You simply need to click on Combined to view the combined options of the products. If you click on the 2 stops here, read the detailed inclusions of a car that picks you up from Hong Kong Airport to Macau, then to the Macau ferry port. Following that, the ferry ticket from Hong Kong Macau ferry port to the Macau ferry terminal. And from the Macau ferry terminal to the Macau hotel, there is always an available shuttle service for the hotel that you book. Note to please read the detailed description and inclusion so you're aware that the cost is only for a transfer in Hong Kong and the ferry ticket, but for Macau, you would have to select the hotel that provides the free Macau ferry terminal to Macau hotel transport. There is a supplement of only 2,200 rupees over and above the main tickets. Let the system calculate your package cost for you as you customize and combine your itinerary further. The next transport is from Macau to Hong Kong. We simply select the ferry based on the timing that we require. So there's a 9 a.m. and there's a 10 a.m. to the Macau ferry terminal. If you're looking for a 10 a.m., simply click on Select. Economy and first class options are easily available for instant booking right away. And following that is your next trip from Hong Kong to Hong Kong Disneyland. There's a 9 a.m. transport available from Kowloon City Centre to Disneyland, or from Hong Kong City Centre to Disneyland at Kai Tak, or Kowloon once again for a MG vehicle. So you can basically customize and combine each service based on transport type, timing of service, location of the hotel you intend to book, so on and so forth. Say this is the right product, acceptable to us, we click on Continue. Transportation intercity has been completed. Next, the system moves to accommodation. 10th June, it picks up Macau, followed by Hong Kong, followed by Disneyland. Feel free to see more accommodation from here and let the system guide you on your preferred property. You can search by filters here on the left of the screen, filter by category, by radius, by property name, or by points of interest and meal plan. Let's say we are particularly looking for the Venetian Macau. Search by property name and simply click on See More options to view all the room types with room categories and meal plans that are available. Only on DMC Bazaar would you also get reviews from TripAdvisor, Booking.com, and Expedia already filtered to show you the best popularity. So there is no need to actually go searching for any information on Google or direct website. Through DMC Bazaar, you will be able to view the reviews, the pricing, the meal plan, as well as all the possible room categories that are available. Moving to Hong Kong, if Regal Kowloon is a good option, note here that room only has been selected. Feel free to click on change room and you'll be able to search rooms further available with breakfast. The system pulls dynamic best available inventory for you to book instantly. So if you're looking for a better rate, simply book the non-refundable product at a lower price, or feel free to choose a room without cancellation at a slightly higher price and block it on time limit. At Hong Kong Disneyland, change the room once again and filter rooms with breakfast for a comfortable stay for this family. Once you have selected your accommodation, the system prompts you in building activities as a complete holiday package. Your first stay in Hong Kong does not require any activities simply because you had selected zero stay. So choose the right date for including activities. In Macau, 3 are filtered as the best available, but please click on see more activities so you can search further. Note our DMC preferred tag here for faster searches, where you would know that these are our preferred and most commonly sold tours. If this is your destination and this is the tour that you always select, click on the heart right here so it stays as your preferred tour or activity as well. It is marked as your favorite product. We've selected the Macau City Tour. There are 2 modalities, pick a full day tour or a half day tour. And also only on DMC Bazaar will you be prompted for the activities only during the stay that you have selected in the previous tab. So the system actually guides you in building the right product for the right date at a faster pace. Let's say Macau has been selected, we are only looking at city tour, or feel free to add some more activities further down the page. I can jump straight to the next city right from here or simply scroll down. In Hong Kong, let's take the Hong Kong by Night tour. Multiple combinations available for a 5 hours tour on Hyundai, or a 5 hours tour by the MG EV, or a 6 hours. Further option also available on private basis. If I'm looking for the 5-hour MG, I simply click on select first. Choose the date I'd like to operate this tour on. Once again, only the stay in Hong Kong has been selected. I need this for 2 adults and 1 child. Click select. With each step, the itinerary is formed for you, as well as the pricing is calculated for you by the system. We could look at another Ocean Park tour on the next day. Modalities show you ticket only, SIC, with private transfer, with meal coupon. So feel free to customize and combine based on the client's requirement. Say on 13th, 2 adults and 1 child, click on select. If my activities in Hong Kong is done, I can simply jump to Hong Kong Disneyland from right here. And while I'm staying in Disneyland, I may not select a tour, but I may select a Premier Pass with general admission, or I can select a 2-day general admission ticket here as well, since they're staying for 2 nights in Disneyland. Here as well, we've given you multiple options. There's a ticket only, with meal coupons, with private transfers, if so you'd like to select. We'll select the ticket only, take it on the day of arrival into Disney, and book it. Having confirmed and selected all the activities that we have chosen for this itinerary, we simply click continue to get onto the summary page. At the summary page, you'll find the detailed inclusions already picked up by you while building this package. Arrival transfer was taken care of. In Macau, we've already selected our transportation by the hotel shuttle. We can add rent a car here if you'd like to give them a vehicle at disposal in Macau. Or once we have come back from Macau to Hong Kong, we have selected only the ferry ticket. We can simply select add transfer right here and add the Hong Kong Macau ferry terminal to Regal Kowloon to another departure transfer as well. So under transportation module, round trip means return transfers, outbound means arrival transfer, and return means the departure transfer. For now, I'd like to select the arrival transfer from the Hong Kong Macau ferry terminal to Regal Kowloon. Simply click on search, and the system has given you multiple vehicle types to book. I'll select the Hyundai economy van. So my transportation is done, my ferry tickets are done, my activities per day has been selected. And from Hong Kong Hotel to Hong Kong Disneyland, my transport was selected. All I finally need to do in the itinerary is simply add my departure transfer once again from Hong Kong Disneyland Hotel to Hong Kong International Airport. Enter a temporary flight number with the approximate pickup time. Click on search, and once again the system will prompt you on the multiple vehicle types that are available for this service. Pick up a Hyundai for my departure once again, and my transport, intercity, my accommodation in 3 locations, activities across the destination, and summary that added my transfers have all been selected in less than 10 minutes. Feel free to add your markup here as a travel agent to quote this product with detailed inclusions and itinerary straight to your client on your letterhead. The system has calculated your markup for you and confirmed the booking instantly, where you can actually see the cancellation policy based on the product selected on what you need to pay now to book this holiday, and the balance can be paid by the 5th of June. For the moment, we're saving it as a quotation. When you save it as a quotation, do remember that you can save this idea of yours on your homepage and view and customize this for all your future quotations as well. Click on Alert Me if the price drops, where dynamic inventory has been picked up. You will get a notification from our system if the pricing has dropped. That helps you make more money, convince your client to book faster, and simply confirm the holiday in its entirety immediately. Save it on your homepage with the name of your guest or your personal reference number to search later. Click on AI Generate, so the system would actually give you a simple point-wise inclusion of what you have selected in this quotation, which you can copy from here, paste it into your Outlook, save this as a PDF, and quote to your customers in less than 10 minutes. When your customers confirm back to you, simply come back and book this idea, which has been confirmed, edited, added, customized in less than 10 minutes, saved on your letterhead with a detailed description and inclusion. You will not find this product or services with guaranteed assurance of customer satisfaction anywhere except on dmcbazaar.com. So what are you waiting for? Log in and book your Hong Kong destination packages in less than 10 minutes. Only on dmcbazaar.com.